Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. I thought amid this current market decline, I put another update video in for ADA because they have been very popular in the last few days, especially amid this volatility and due to Cardano's strong move up here recently. So looking here at the lower level wave count. So generally here, anybody who's new, my view is that Cardano is currently here probably still in this wave 4 in white, which would mean the next move down and a move below 44.6 cents would confirm that. The next move down could be the last leg down of the correction, of this overall correction that Cardano has gone through now since September pretty much. Technically, I would even consider this high here as part of the correction because it is an A, B, C pattern. So this B wave, this overshooting wave B, was actually part of this overall correction. But anyway, for many people in September, the correction started, and it also makes more sense, from a common sense point of view. But it moved down here for a long time, and really the next move down, and I'm talking here about the next impulsive wave down, which of course doesn't usually happen in one straight line. I now always add usually because of Terra Luna, so nothing moves down usually in a straight line. You usually have ups and downs in a move down. You have 5 waves down as well in this last impulse, because it would be a wave 5 of a wave 2, and in this wave 5 of a wave 2 you also have 5 waves. Surprise. So it will be something like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves within the wave 5, within the higher level wave degree 2. And the wave 2 will complete this Cardano correction. So few things here to point out. On the daily chart, I think it looks like we are currently doing here something like an engulfing red candle, which would indicate further downside. But the day isn't over yet, so we need to see how the daily candle closes for that. Very important on the 1 hour chart now, the shorter time frame Elliott wave count. Very important. So got a few interesting things here. I took you through this Elliott wave count in the previous video, and I think for now this is still spot on. It hasn't changed. Bear in mind, lower time frame Elliott wave counts often get invalidated because there are usually different scenarios that can play out. For now, I think this is still very much the case. Reason why. So overall, this wave 4, in which I think we still are, consists of a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. Now I put some more detail here in this wave C, where we came up in the wave C in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, in a wave 3. To explain, a wave C, which is part of a wave 4, so maybe for everybody who's new, a wave 4 consists of 3 waves: a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. The wave A is already complete, the wave B already complete. Now we are in the wave C. A wave C consists itself of 5 waves. And you can see here in white, we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1 wave degree. So it's basically the wave degree which comes just below the wave C. But you can detail this out more. And in the wave 3 itself, we can see the wave 3 was an extended wave. The wave 3 is normally the most bullish wave or bearish, depending on in which direction the trend is going. So usually the wave 3, if you have an extension, it is often the wave 3. Not always, but often, And usually the wave 3 is also the longest one, which adds up here. We can see here the wave 3 had, again, 5 subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A wave 4, here again, has 3 waves. As I explained, a wave 4 contains A, B, C. And this, I think, is still here working out at the moment. The reason why, even though we are dropping quite a lot here in a wave 4, it technically is still possible that this is a wave 4. Normally, I would tell you the wave 4 has come down too much. But I also explained in the previous video that a wave 4, it could come down still here to the 61.8% Fib level, even though it gets then at some point less likely it's still a wave 4. Normally, you would expect the wave 4 to end, this wave 4, to end at the 38.2% Fib level. And you can see we found good support here, but we still dropped. The next one would be the 50% Fib level. And Now the next one is the 61.8, but if it drops below that, it will really get unlikely. It is still a wave 4, but technically still possible, because the only thing that the wave 4 is not allowed to do here is to break below the wave 1, and the wave 1 is somewhere here at 47 cents. So yeah, no, for now, this is all still making sense, even though the wave 4 is a bit long, given though the length of the wave 3 maybe not too unrealistic. And due to the corrective nature of how we are coming down here at the moment, because this looks corrective, for me, this is currently still the primary expectation. And let me explain why corrective, because we can count this here as a 3-wave move. So as an A, B, C. So you're coming down from the peak here in a wave A to the downside, a wave B, and a wave C. If anybody asks why is the wave B not here, that is because this is a triangle. Yeah. So wave B unfolds here as a triangle pattern, and if the wave B unfolds as a triangle, it doesn't peak at the high, it peaks at the end of the triangle. Yeah, it's a small triangle, but it's a triangle. So, and then we're coming down now in the wave C. So based on that, we can even expect the wave C actually to move down a little bit lower, because you would normally see the wave C as being a little bit longer than the wave A, or at least having the same length of the wave A. And we can calculate the length of that by just doing the Fib extensions. And you would normally then, in this scenario, expect actually the wave C to end at 52.5 cents. That is the 100% Fib extension of the wave A, and the wave C has the same length. That is the first target. Second target would be here the 1.618 Fib extension, but then you're coming into the price region of the wave 1. That's probably not going to happen. If it happens, it's not a wave 4 anymore here, in which we are. So yeah, I mean, good support expected, pretty much in my opinion, and that is the key thing I would be looking at here, is the 61.8% Fib level at 54.5. If we drop below that, then maybe we're really talking about here the target that I just showed you for the wave. So first target where we expect a turnaround is the 61.8% Fib level at 54.5 cents. Second target would be the Fib extension 100% of the wave A. So basically here 52.5 cents. If we turn around later, it might not be a wave 4 anymore, because it is coming down a bit too much for my for me. Yeah. But the view is that, yeah, this could still be a wave 4, and the wave 5 then is still coming, and that could then end somewhere up here, maybe around 73 cents. Yeah, somewhere at the top here of this overall target area. So either here, yeah, at 73 cents, and this is the target area based generally on the Fibonacci retracement levels here for the wave 4. So again, I don't want to make it too complex, but on the other hand, I also want to explain things. So you wouldn't usually expect the retracement for this wave 4 to get into this level 4 with a bracket, a wave 4 with the brackets, to get into this region between the 38.2% Fib level and the 50%. Now we did reach that, yeah. So between 64.7 cents and 73 cents pretty much. We came into it and reacted to it. Perfect, actually. Yeah, perfect. But we can dive back into it or jump back into it without a problem. And if we break above that, I think we could get to the 61.8% Fib level at 80.8 cents. So this is currently all working out fine. This is currently what I primarily expected. We would see another turnaround. I think it's too easy to start the sell-off straight away. I think therefore we see here one more move up in this wave 5. Yeah. Alternatively, that would be the alternative wave count. That would be that we have here already completed the wave C. We completed the wave 5 here already. And with that also the higher level wave degree wave 4, which would mean that we now have to come down impulsively and break, first of all, the 47 cent level, which is the wave 1 peak, and then the 44.7 cent level, which is the wave B low. And then I think we're going to head down for making a lower low somewhere in the low 30s, or maybe even all the way down to 22 cents. And this is currently what is happening here on the ADA chart. Primarily, I would expect, as I said, at these support levels that I gave you, a turnaround back to the upside to make one higher high before we then get the final dump down. This is how I currently see it in the chart. It can change, therefore I update you on a daily basis. So hopefully you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.